They're finally home. The first batch of Filipino repatriates affected by the war in the Middle East has returned to the Philippines. More are expected to arrive in the coming weeks. Paulo Barcelon returns with the details.
31 Filipinos from the Middle East came back home Tuesday night. This after a 9-hour-long delay due to the closure of Qatar's airspace following an Iranian missile attack targeting U.S. bases in the country. Among those stranded, Migrant Workers Secretary Hans Leo Kakdak, who oversaw repatriation operations from the Israeli-Jordanian border. Of the 31 returnees, 26 were caregivers and hotel staff who came from Israel. They include Armando Naz, who went back to the Philippines after working in a hotel in Israel for more than 2 years. He says the June 13 attacks was more than he and his partner can bear.
Sa loob ng isang araw, 5 alarms, 4 alarms, ano na yun. Kahimbingan ng tulog mo, mag-a-alarm, bababa ka na naman, posaakyat ka na naman. Pag ikaw nakatira sa 7th floor, bababa ka to shelter, so pagod at puyat ang kalaban mo.
One repatriate was attended to by Health Department personnel and is recovering. Also among the flight are repatriates from Jordan, Qatar, and Palestine. Secretary Kakdak says the agency is closely monitoring the situation on whether or not to expand current deployment bans to other countries in the Middle East amid rising tensions.
The expertise belongs to the DFA along those lines, so we will have to await the alert level notices, the raising of alert level or lowering of alert levels or maintenance of an alert level.
Repatriates will receive 150,000 pesos worth of cash aid from the DMW and the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration and an additional 10,000 pesos from the Social Welfare Department. Kakdak adds, chartered flights to ferry more OFWs home are also being considered.
That is always an option. We did that with Lebanon last year. Ando na naman kami ni Sected at ni Yusek Pinky last October, for the chartered flight of nearly 300 in one plane.
The DMW adds over 300 OFWs have already signed up to go back to the Philippines, with more batches of repatriates expected to return in the coming days and weeks. Paulo Barcelon, Billionario News Channel.